Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here, the Wanderlust CEO. Welcome to this week's show. Today we're talking about how much money can I make as a home-based travel agent? Is it viable? Can I leave my career that's crappy and I hate? Can I actually do this thing from home? And if so, will it support my family? We're talking about all of it today on the show, so keep on watching.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand.
All right, guys, welcome back. Don't forget to take a moment, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell over on YouTube. We work really hard to bring you as much free content as we can, and your likes and your comments really help get the word out about our channel. So thank you so much for your support. You've made us the #1 YouTube channel for travel agent education in the world. So thank you. We love you so much. Today we're talking about how much can I make as a home-based agent, right? And I know a lot of you are thinking about like what we're going through this year, the great resignation. We have people leaving healthcare. We have people leaving different careers, people thinking about for the first time, maybe not the first time, but more people than ever thinking about for the first time, what do I want for myself? What do I want for my future? What do I want for my career? What would fulfill me? What would bring me joy? And that has led so many people to the doorstep of, can I make a viable career in the travel industry? So I'm so excited because I've been in this industry for almost 30 years. For those of you who are new, type a little I'm new below so I can welcome you to our community. But I started just about 30 years ago, you guys. I was a baby at 19 years old. Today, I own and operate my own award-winning nationally recognized travel agency, but I'm best known for being the CEO and founder of Careers on Vacation, which helps people just like you learn how to launch, grow, and supersize your travel businesses all over the world. So everything that we teach and train here on the channel is either vetted through my own travel agency or through the hundreds of brands that we support in helping them in their growth journeys. So I have very unique perspective because I've seen behind the scenes of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of agencies and potentially thousands at this point of actual individual agents. I've trained a lot of people in my career. And the beautiful thing is that our industry's changed so much that doing this from home is very viable, or while you travel, very viable. You know, when I started in the industry way back in the mid-90s, it was a different world. You had to work for a call center or a mom and pop agency or AAA or a travel brand. So it was a different world back then. But how our industry has evolved, it's happened in a really beautiful way. Like the internet came out and everyone thought travel agencies would be gone forever. And it did alter the mom and pop corner store agency for sure. But what happened was as the internet got more kind of complicated, the industry started to see a resurgence because clients were like, there's too much information. I'm overwhelmed. What do I pick? And they came back to travel agents to go, can you just find me the best thing? Can you keep an eye out for this? So a lot of us had built very robust businesses leading up to the pandemic. And then when COVID hit and the pandemic, we went through this crazy period. The whole world did, right? Some people are like, travel's not going to come back for a decade and blah, 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 blah. You can go back and watch my videos and see that that was not my prediction. My prediction was we were going to be exactly where we are today, which is we are seeing a resurgence unlike anything I've seen in my almost 30-year career. People are seeking out travel agents. They are looking for that skilled professional to navigate the complicated terrain that is the travel industry today because things are open, things are closed. This country has this list of things that need to be done. This country has this. It's like a way more complicated environment, but that's why they need you. So the need for what we do is absolutely out there. Consumer demand is an all-time high, like as high as when I started in the industry, when you pretty much had to go to a travel agent. Very similar climate. And Careers on Vacation is we have so many people in our training programs for new agents, experienced agents. We cannot train people fast enough to meet the industry demand of people looking for great, skilled, certified travel agents to work with. So it's an exciting time. But the reality is are you going to make money at it? We're going to break it down. So I want to talk through a couple of things. In order to make money at this, pre-COVID, post-COVID, 10 years from now, your level of how you treat your business will reflect how much you make from your business. What do I mean by that? A lot of people get into the travel agency as a side gig or a side hustle or a extra revenue stream. If you're taking that approach and you're giving it kind of a quarter of your attention or 10-20% of your attention and thinking it's going to be a six-figure business for you, it's not. I'm here to tell you, this business is complicated. You need to know what you're doing. You need to be skilled at what you're doing. If you do those things and you have real systems and you treat it like a real business, you get the education that you need. You get the knowledge that you need. You become really good at your craft, just like any other craft out there. If you're going to do something, get yourself into a state where you're doing it really well. If you do those things up and you line your ducks up in a row, it can be a very viable business. I, like I said, started doing this almost 30 years ago. But I was working for one of the biggest travel brands in the world. When I launched my own agency, I went through a long period of making mistakes, trial and error. The sharing of knowledge in our industry is very tight-lipped. Not a lot of people share what it takes to be successful. In fact, I've had other people, industry leaders, come to me and go, Cyndi, why are you telling people this stuff? I'm going to tell you why. I have a core belief that there is enough abundance for all of us. And yes, I could keep all of this knowledge to myself and I could use it only in my travel industry, or I could help you guys replicate a life like I have, which is in my heart what I want to do, right? So I've been so fortunate, and I allowed myself the grace to fail a lot so I could get to the success, right? It took me a long time to get my systems and processes into a place where they were streamlined and working. And I felt like they were in a place where I was like, I can share with people how to do this and they will have a better result from their business, right? A lot of pain, a lot of suffering, but can it be done? Absolutely. We've been fortunate that we were able to homeschool our kids because of our business when they were younger. That was amazing because we're like, oh, we're learning about Washington, D.C. Let's go to Washington, D.C. We're learning about, Hawaii. Let's go to Hawaii. Whatever the thing was, if we wanted to, we could literally make a virtual classroom, which was such a cool thing early on. My kids later wanted to go to regular school, and that's where they are now. But the point being is, we got to do life on our terms, which was really cool. My husband was able to come full-time into the business. And this is what we do now. We both work full-time in our business. We pay for our own medical care. We run several travel brands. We have the travel agency, we have Careers on Vacation, and we have a company that we launched this year as well called Wanderlust Social, which is marketing materials for travel professionals. That whole company was born because all of the clients I was working with said, Cyndi, can you just do this thing? But long story short, there's so many different ways that you can scale up your travel agency business. I work with a lot of clients that don't want to have a team. They just want to be at home. They want to be available to their kids, but they want to run a six-figure business. So can you create a six-figure business just working by yourself? Absolutely. Absolutely, you can. I have another video on the YouTube channel. I can't remember if it's last week or next week that it's coming out. It's pre-recorded, but it's how to make $10,000 in your travel agency. And I give you 2 math scenarios on how to do it if you're a single agent and how to do it if you are an agency owner, because you can do both. So it's very viable, guys, but you have to, my best advice is you have to really take it seriously like a business from the beginning. And no judgment if you do want to have a hobby business or a side hustle, or you love the other thing that you're doing too in the world. But you can't expect to have a full-time paycheck without putting in a full-time effort in this industry. Now, if you love travel, you have a passion for traveling, and this is how you want to serve the world, that's how I really, I can really tell a racehorse kind of student when they're like, it's not about having a certain amount of education or being a certain age or any of those things. It's about having the passion to, I don't care what it takes, I'm going to show up and I'm going to figure this out. And some of my most successful students came from completely different backgrounds, right? We have people that came from healthcare. We have people who were hairdressers. I had a bus driver. I had a country western singer. I've had everybody. through my program. I've had attorneys go through my program. I've had doctors go through my program. Just anyone you can imagine that was kind of ready for that life change, but wanted to do it in a bigger way. So you have to ask yourself, what is my commitment level going to be? Am I willing to get the training, support, and all of those things set up like a real business so I can then expect a real-time income? I would have never, guys, it took me 7-8 years before I was really bringing in multiple six figures in my travel business, giving it a full-time effort, because I had to make a bunch of mistakes to figure out what would work. It's not going to take you that long in today's environment if you're getting the right support and training. So think about that. Or, if you're doing it at hobby level, you can do the DIY, you can take it slow, you can take it out at your pace. But I always ask people like, do you care more about your time or your money? That's really what it comes down to. You can make more money. You can never make more time. And that's one of those things where get the help early on. Just set it up right from the beginning. Do things the way that it should be done. Get a certification. Hit the ground running, right? And that's really what you want to do in terms of making a viable income in this industry. And the other thing we get asked a lot about are perks in our industry. We have amazing perks, but you have to be an actual agent. You have to be active and you have to sell a certain amount of travel sales every year. So don't just get into it if you're like, I'm just here for the freebies. Like, that's not how it works. In fact, I have a great travel guide. I think it's careersonvacation.com/TA secrets. Where you can get all of the links where you can get freebie stuff, but you have to have your agent credentials. So just keep that in mind. Those are great perks that we have as well. So guys, I hope this was inspiring for you. And if I'm leaving you with one thing today, it will be ask yourself where you are in that place. Like, do I want to make a full-time effort? And look, I had another successful business while I was building up my travel business. I did both of them at the same time. So I really understand, for those of you who have full-time jobs, part-time jobs, college, whatever you have going on, I have 3 kids. I have 3 travel brands that I run. I have all of the things. But if you're willing to carve out the time to work on your business as you're doing the other thing, you don't have to have stress in this process, right? You can build it out still in a serious way, still in a big way, while you're getting the paycheck from your other job. And then what's beautiful about our industry is you start building up your book of business, you'll be able to predict how many commissions will be clearing in the upcoming months. So you'll know exactly when you should quit your job. So you do not have to lose one night of sleep over, oh, am I going to have enough money? I don't want you to quit your job and then jump into this necessarily. I want you to think about, what your family needs to get you through this business building phase. You might have to balance both as you build the business. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's exactly what I did. So I'm not saying there won't be sacrifices. I'm not saying it's going to be hard work. Anyone that tells you different is lying to your face. But if you're willing to do those things, and this is really how you want to serve the world and how you want to live your life, and you want to get to kind of that next place where you get to make the terms, and a year from now, 2 years from now, you want to be in this new space where you're doing exactly what makes you happy every day, then go for it. It's never been a better time in our industry. And guys, I want to remind you that if you are brand new and thinking about getting into the industry, definitely check out Careers on Vacation. If what I'm saying is resonating for you and you're just like, Cyndi, I want to do it the right way from the beginning, just show me what to do. That is what my 12-week Careers on Vacation mastermind program is. You get an on-demand training program. This is not e-learning though. This is an interactive program with live sessions. You get access to my team, my coaches, my mentors, the same team that got my business from 6 figures a month to multiple 7 figures a year. You're going to get access to as you start putting the architecture and building your business as well. Careers on Vacation is also ASTA affiliated. That is a big deal in our industry. And we have the most case study reviews and most 5-star reviews compared to any other program in the industry. So and the reason for that is we remain obsessed every single day with getting you guys results. And also our systems are used in a lot of the travel brands that you probably already know. Like, you can go to our website and see all of the travel brands that we work with. It's a lot. So if you just want to kind of skip to the good part, as they say on the TikToks, right? I encourage you to check us out at careersonvacation.com. You can go to careersonvacation.com/ready now. And that is our application process to just start a conversation. We'll have a call with you to understand what your personal goals are. We really approach each client differently because one cookie cutter business that's not what we do. We help everybody carve something out that is curated and custom based on your vision. That's why e-learning stuff that you might have on your laptop right now has probably been sitting there getting dust. That's not our program. You're going to work with humans. You're going to have a coach. You're going to work with me. You're going to do all of those pieces to really craft something special by the end of that 12 weeks. And during this call, this fact-finding session, we're really understanding if your goals are in alignment with what we do. If it's not, we're still going to give you some great advice and wish you well. That's in my heart. No matter how you find the success, I want you to have success whether you're working with my team or not. So check that out for sure if you're interested. And guys, thank you so much again for making us the #1 channel on YouTube. I can't thank you enough. I want to just wish you guys so much love, so much abundance. I want to wish you the world. And before I forget, we only have a couple more weeks. Whoops, that's the wrong one. Hang on. We have a freebie for you this month. We've been getting a lot of feedback like, Cyndi, I love your YouTube channel. Which video should I watch? So we went back to our clients, some of our most successful clients. We said, which videos really helped you when you were new? And we made a list of our top 10 YouTube videos. So instead of going through my hundreds of videos online, just get this download and it will give you the links for all of our top 10 most watched, most popular, most transformative videos. So you guys can kind of get a kickstart on that. So you can go to wanderlustceo.com/spring because we want to spring you into action with all of our free content. So guys, I love you so much. I will see you next week. Bye guys.